Dan kikik ni halah lagi jong pet sak. Masjid Mabina. Beli pada Christmas sungi melak dia mat. Tu ayo tu Christmas tree kan tu Christmas tree dan betrek tu ai ngau tu. Yes. So nice. Alright, mentah kesin ke ba ningkong mga ngai ka ni ka jing pen krek yu kek ba ibang. Ish, nadu balong murti, hadu balong membeti rudan hang tei. Ti kidan hala lagi jong kike hang ni kani ka pelong kidang pelong mentah hang ni po All Saints Hall. Bar haksin menikah ngai ka kek show ka bakum kani hang ni kiladan buan bagi participants ka ba sapar ka di bestang biki briu kin vote ya unu ubaler tam na ki baler tam hang ni kani di jakap hi kin vote andala de bam ki sa vote hang ni kenang bagi kila ban job menu-menu ki bade ban job kum kila ban job kila subuh pi tanah kerteng kum tu bun bha ki ni bat nang ta ki bajob lan ki bayo bun vote ki di kita ki nong job ti sim apa sih tu nak ti mentak abampat ya sedang ti nang page kum tu ti kendan ru ke presentation ru kendan ti kendan sa shi ban number 11 bat 10 ru 11 kampat poi tin re ki babun ba ni kila pilot ti bat ngin saya page kan ni kala long kata ka presentation ngin haban page pat setang ke jimat kalong kumno kan ne hang ni kumba kat ba kan ne kin lai mat ki briu kat ba kalut ti kin saya vote pat hang ni kat ba kami ke vote kita kin nong job ngin saya page kan ni mo sak macam na penibahajan Nanti penibahajan. Nanti penibahajan kenang bafi pen yo iba. So kidan kike kani halah lagi jong pet sak. Halah lagi jong ki design bat kiwe. Ke baki kilawan ra bat ke theme ke debi ke theme Christmas bat hibar khai sak. So nice. Love it. Dah. Tu ayo tu Christmas tree kan tu Christmas tree dan betrek tu ai ngau tu. Yes. Yes.
It's not edible. No.
Oh, it's not edible. Oh, flop.
No, it's edible. It's edible.
It's edible.
Yeah.
So nice. Oh, di.
Bami. It's a chocolate inside.
Ni. Cake show tu kum ni kan? Oh, di Christmas cake show dah hap hai ni. Sak. Ha? Oh, bam cake, bam. Yo, kum kani kelat dari kerat ni sih. Kerat baik. Bam. Bang. Ler. Dia bila layo vote ni. Sambut. Oh, tu ni le tu syubam. Bam kan joy gitu tu. Alang bini ni topping kena. Ngam tip uba bam ni ngam tip uni. Mak kai mo isen. Long, piang. Ha. Juga voting bentar kalau sedang. Hari. Wan kan? Itu. Ke first round voting bentar kalau sedang makanya kita keluar ke presentation, bakal keluar ke rukom design ni kiki buat kiwai. Bahkan ni kita kiwan dapat Wonder Chef banle kan ni ka rukom judge ni ban bishar. Gini berarut kiwan dapat Wonder Chef begini di kiki si badan hang ni. Baru kait sak. Ti uni ti dusla bet ulong kum usla kum lahap sla kum tu nata bat kiwi pet kidan ki Christmas tree hang tei dah lagi jong pini bahai pi pet kidan hang dia be kitu peti du uri dan Christmas tree hang tei dan ta kini ki Father Christmas ni dan dusok rudan bat kiwi ki badan hang ni ready ya mana Mana? Unu kami bang.
Kami bang teh.
Ha?
Teh
Number one. Badan dusok ha. Dah. Jadi kita bang di lalong ready bani mat no bani mess no. Tu bat. Pikan. Sedang no. Apa bang? Ui, kum no. Jangan. Bisa kik na. Oh, biang lah. All the best. Mo. All the best, ma.
Thank you.
Kinong shit cake. Biang ma, all the best.
Thank you.
Dan kam stang ban mat ya kejing mat ulong kumu ta tim tip ai ni we badan membeti le te hai re hai ni ti kop batang sipang la lut. Nice, I like this, so nice. Oh nee, this is good. Piang ba. Kaya kilang don gibanuan. Na kum nun na. Tingin. Deki me wan shoot ini stang no. Mari apsak no ini kiwe ya. To shushu phone shushu sentik ba phone badan dan nama phone. Yes, tip top. Look at this. Ni so nice. Nga tinggal ikwa bam no. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, kiperlok berkhoi bidan hangni everyone present here, stakeholders, the collaborators and customers alike. If you are here for the first time, we have a surprise for you, and the surprise is right before your eyes. And that's not it, not just the presentation, but you will also have the opportunity to taste the cakes. And this is Shillong's ultimate cake, Christmas cake show, brought to you by Grow Together in collaboration with Wonder Chef Shillong. And we have here beautiful cakes baked by our talented bakers from all across Meghalaya, if not just Shillong. Nidan hani ki cake beper ki belawan ra da ki nong shet na keleng bat kani ka cake show belawan ra shopi da ka Grow Together ka trailang bat ka Wonder Chef. Why is it special? Namar ba? This is special because it's the season, and also it'll be a platform for our kitchen bakers, if I may put it that way. There are some of the bakers who are just trying out. They have the talent, they have the gift of baking, but do not have a platform as such. So Wonder Chef has made it possible that they're willing to give due recognition to the bakers of Shillong. So shout out to Grow Together, and Wonder Chef has made all this possible. And now, without further ado, I declare the Christmas cake show open. Napata siyong gitu gibakwa ban bam hangni sobha wat wan bam nata salit nyo piang ay layo bam cake nyo siyeng ndai kumta mo marda bam cake savut bar ngila ayang tay kidan artli kidan bundli ki kot berit ki bapila ban shim ban vot datla demat sa syukan mau unu number bapi pimat undala bang udi bola bang tam ni bang tam pimat nang ni sa tho tang utuwi number bat sa thep ang tay iwe ibreu ila ban vote tang kawai ka vote batang sisien bat himla ban tho arlai teli ki number shubo la kono phikhum tho arlai teli number la phimdan nang ni yo shibet yo dan menu ngan syong pa gani ngin chim tang yu number baning kong mo nginum sim shui ki number ba ar balai ri yele ban tho be tang uwe number ha kawai ka piece of paper ka badan hang tai biangan dan jingkli shunai ina no mne ni briti bakun nya to wano shakmat tis no tama phimlong ban pli ni perdamo ini perdam ni bingin ya khap ning ini pli hi pinwan shakmat kani ban ensure bakadon ka jing khoi ki jing suba ban lada de ba phikwa ban pan phila ban pan tang na kani perda phim ni ban pli ki perda ta sarung chani lani shani ru phim ni phimlong ban rung mo jangan to please wano shakmat na yang sang tu bikini bala nawan shakmat kila nawan. And very happy Merry Christmas ya borokhat kani kala day kijing bam cake Christmas ke baningkong let's say you've not had maybe a Christmas cake so early and this is the first time maybe this year, please take full opportunity. Wan di mana Penyeng sedin berseduk And paper cups, paper plates, please don't throw. Shani shatai. Please don't litter. After you're done, we have kadan ka yuru, kadan ka what do you call ka dustbin nang tay. Ba kadan na macam berat nang tu. Hey, padan jak berat dulu. Lala confident mah. Kong Susan ka jaka berat kadan em. Kan
Are these eggs having, like, are these cakes having eggs or not? Can
Okay. All right. For those who kendiat pila ayo lang yung mic jong kendiat top mulai. Tahu weng sungau tu kendiat. Yes. All right. So for those who may have possible allergies to something like egg. We have not kept any criteria for the egg or eggless, so we are not sure what do they have with.
Number 5 is eggless.
Well, we were not sure which one has egg or not, or doesn't have eggs. But there are a few of the bakers. If you have eggless cakes, please come forward and let the audience know if your cake is eggless. So as of now, cake number 5 is eggless. So if you want to taste cake number 5 for the eggless fans out there, so you can come in and have a taste cake number 5. But I'm not allowed to campaign, but I'm just informing you. And if there's anybody else who have prepared eggless cake, please come forward and inform the public which one has egg and which one has eggless. Ta kita kibala ayo semua pila ban kin vote. Semua ban make sure ba phim dan kam ban vote arsin. Phim long ban vote arsin mo. Lalu phi vote arsin kila dan lupa ni volunteers ban pen page phi la phi wan chisen phi wan arsin. Kajing ya bam te kalong kumi harum. Ma si. Oi. Yes. Hai berkhoi. La shalu ya baro. Everyone can vote. Ye khalong ru la ban vote. Cha kita ngia vote ni boro pengen pet pat sibet manoba job. Okay. Nala pia lang nang tay rung lang tay. La to mat se. Hang tay syuki tay ngabu tay ngasuwa tu kakti syuki tu. Pilai mana em? Pan marah. Hap tersu. Ibang ni kek ni. Adi.
I didn't know. Thank you.
Kini yang paling paano ke?
Bethashwa.
Pe bahaswa kenang ba pin sutu no du kek ayu.
Wait, number 3.
Klia bahaswa setiap hari. Jadi benar milih dekat lain mas. Sak jadi sete. Naslong nak space ka khamduna khniat ke maybe ngaki kisngi wan khamwan akibat kisngi snam banon. Ka first edition. Kidan kibala lut, kidan kibadang sa, kidan kibadang bompat de kibhar udan hi. Kendre kajing etis te galong kumni harum. Ladai ke poring am jama ngan mat semangai kini kek badan ni. I 20 I nata I ti membeti di shop unut la janlit ti membeti no mene. I membeti way. Kita kislayak bro I lang selan. Kisla. Oi. Sendur, tolong hi taruh ngan bat lang mic video ni sendur. Halo, nang ni sendur ali. Shan ali, balu mic ali. Ong Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Ong makin.
Merry Christmas.
Đi ông đi.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Chúng ta cần lấy to. Yang tu. Yang tu five star. Dia lagi dia bang cake ni. Yes. Yes, the Santa Claus tu. Yes. Ni, hai. Check. Thank you. Lấy bấm cake ni. Là bấm. Là the food ni. Là the food. All the best. No.
iPhone number 5, number 8.
Nang tao.
20 unit number. Number 8 unit, number 5 unit.
5 or 5?
5, 20 and 8.
5, 20 and 8. I know sebab uwe uba uti uti badan budam pernah itu. Ini kepiang. Tu kepiang. Check. Alright, mentang ini amat show new cake. Udan cake. You tip hang ni udan. Ini di number 20, ni number 5, di number 8, ni number. Ini uti mat cake kan uti. Number kan no? Number 4 ni. Ja. Limat kai long nama. No. Mat. Nên đó là nè, nó phải làm cho cô nè trọc. Bập ly, pada kesempatan sungi melak ni amat. Bang. Nasihat mapi na. Bit krem nasihat. This is good.
Excuse me, do you have to pay for cake testing?
No. Yeah, no. It's free, huh? Oh, Ler. Sudah mat ni mod cake semua orang sukum kop cake keti labit cake dia mic. Ni. Oh, yo mat marble nun dah. Babang na di ban kathana mo tip. Ni dan marble ba bestem nu. Bom. Ale, standard, ale. Ale, standard. Ale insan. Ini ale. Pendek. Yes. Live abang mana tu lagi kek? Bang Iwei. Bang Subun. Ma, siapa order dia Iwei papa? Ma. Oh. The cake selalu best bah.
Itu sama sah.
Ngal vote nak mendah. This is good. Lalut. Dan bambun dah melatan. Bam dah. Ini lagi dang bun dia. Hati dia sih. Layas ngaulet. We have come to the end of the cake show. Now we will count the votes. Cake lalu lut hani barokai kita lagi jong cake hani. I think I'll have that one. Utu Christmas tree angan tu Christmas tree dan betre tu ayang tu. Yes. Yes.
It's not edible, no?
Oh, it's not edible. Oh, flop.
No, it's edible. It's
edible.
Yeah.
So nice. Oh, di.
Bang, it's a chocolate inside.
Ni. cake show tu ni kan. Di Christmas cake show dah hap hai ni. Sak. Ha? Bam cake, bam. Bam. Yo kum kani kelat dari kerat ni sih. Kerat baik. Bam. Bang. Ler. Dia bila layo vote ni. Sambut. Temen le tu syubam. Bam enjoy gitu tu. Alang bini ni topping kena. Ngam tip uba bam ni ngam tip uni. Mak kai mo sien. Long piang. Ha. Đây kan 2 minit. Nice. Susu kami kenyan. Now, naik punya show bakut penbenano the results. All right. We have the results here. And yes, starting with number 3 or the third position. So it is my pleasure to announce that the third position goes to a hardworking lady with a cake. This is the vanilla plus red velvet cake, cake number 5, Kong Yurika Jirwa. To ang sabti bajam na matay Kong Yurika hang ni.
Kala sedang mencet kek mentala dan almost 7 years. Tang ba ka way pada kalong ba nga kam padlet training shani ki institute ki bahia kadai be ka self taught hi kabangan nang hi tenga experience hi ki flavor thamai nga shet hi na lagi bet hi kum tu. Dukan be ngam dan actually tamang ade be home baker tiada dah via kwa ban please order ate kadang ke Instagram page jangan Facebook ro kadan dia WhatsApp number also kadan dia kadang di card dah fikwa ate sa social mana sa shibu hangir dia tang tahi publish buat and
second position goes to chocolate rum, cake number 8, Wadari Kindia. Ikong Wadari Kindia. In second position, Ton Shandur Biang Sekaway.
Maong man nakasit ki mentara apos lemtang. Hayi nama ba ada nohikai yang cukup apa kini kalau site ini ano. Di pangkatai thorai. I play lingkong tu. Oh. Iko bu iya ko status dari Miss Iba. Kung iba, malakali so call balak ke school. Kita result lalat ay, so load mo kapuat tagadaw. Nado naman sin ka pa banjay. I thank God and I thank all the organizers. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ibon. Ngibay pat siya ka first position. The winner and the hero of the cake making competition or the Christmas cake show 2025 from Shillong. I think I can officially say this is the best baker Shillong has this year, and please be ready to ask for cards and numbers and all that for your Christmas this year. Mo, ti saya pa ni number na ini ibriu iban sa job number ba nga try menu-menu giban job hang ni pihak ban ready na taw snem yo pibun order kumnu mo to. And first prize, guess menu. First prize. Guess. Anyone? The ones that you've tasted. 21 2 21 23. Okay, to. Ladies and gentlemen, the first prize goes to none other than the blueberry cake number 21, Miss Lanosha Lingdo Nonglaj. Miss Lanosha Lingdo Nonglaj. To, ngatry imdan hang ni. Ilalit siying, ilalit siyat cake. Ngatry labun order hai man. Ti kin mo kriang ikong lada imdan hang ni ru.
started getting orders. So
Oh yeah. That's what I was telling them. So a big round of applause to Naikong Lanosha. Big round of applause for number 21. So some of you have guessed it right, and I am pretty sure she deserves it. So if there's anyone who will take on her behalf, or we will just give it to her. More. So okay. So thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for taking part. Thank you for being the judges. Bat kiba pila ayo ban tes menta te ngangis kem kalau kiji mentoin da jong pi ban nam da jong kiwir kumjo tilada pi don kam ban contact, and you know we have the contacts here along with the number, the cakes, the number against those cakes. So if there is a cake that you like the most, you can ask for a contact number and then we can give you. And also yes, so all of the participants, if you're still here, please come forward. We would like to have a photo session with you all. Once you come on, in your shandur but PWPW, you will participate hakani ka cake, Christmas cake show. So a big round of applause to everyone who has taken part and the winners also, especially the organizers, Glow Together and Wonder Chef. A big round of applause for everyone. Kong ila pois bukut jogani cake show, ke sin bani kong bloni cake show. Lepi kwa ban ya ban shimbenta follow ke page Glow Together pe Instagram kena pini ni ki jingpin bana kowe hidin kowe pingi beki jule na kapor ke bikin langwan ra hakum kini ki judge seal na kowe kisni na we bana su we pat. Te tangkatai ko Lisbon perno but Merry Christmas lupa na betay kinong shit cake. Lisbon tip top.